Hello everyone and welcome to Wonk. Today we're going to be looking at peanut butter diamonds. Peanut butter goes with a lot of things. Jam, chocolate, banana and bacon. Seriously, don't knock it until you try it. As well as being delicious, it's also highly nutritious. A bit of peanut butter will supply you with protein and healthy fats, as well as a range of vitamins and minerals. But what if we told you that peanut butter can not only make you healthy, but wealthy too? This delicious spread can actually be made into diamonds. Now, before you rush to Tesco to stock up on peanut butter, let's back it up a little. Making peanut butter diamonds, unfortunately, isn't something you can do in your kitchen, so that homemade jewellery won't be happening anytime soon. But the science behind it is still very exciting. Firstly, let's think about what diamonds are. They may look very impressive, but they're chemically very simple. In fact, they're only made from one single element, carbon. Atoms of carbon can be arranged in different ways to make different forms or polymorphs. Diamond is one carbon polymorph and graphite is another. This means that your pencil is made from the same thing as diamonds. The difference comes down to a combination of temperature, pressure and time. Diamonds need a lot of pressure and heat to form, hence why this won't be happening in your kitchen. So if not in your kitchen, where do diamond forming conditions exist? Scientists say that there are four main processes responsible for most natural diamonds. One of these is responsible for nearly all commercially mined diamonds. It happens hundreds of kilometres deep in the earth, in the mantle, where temperatures can reach up to 2,200 degrees Celsius. Not only is it super hot, but the pressure down there is more than 1 million times higher than the air we breathe. These diamonds then reach the surface through deep source volcanic eruptions, which are incredibly rare and haven't been witnessed in our lifetime, which is what makes diamonds so special. Investigating what happens in the mantle can help us understand how the Earth was formed. Space exploration has come a long way in the past few decades. But exploring deep inside the Earth is much harder because we can't get there. Instead, scientists have come up with ways to recreate what we think is happening down there. Professor Dan Frost has created an experiment mimicking what happens deep below our feet to investigate the composition of the mantle. He believes that in ancient times, rocks may have pulled carbon dioxide out of the oceans. When these rocks were pulled down into the mantle, through a series of geological processes, the carbon was converted into diamonds. This happened because iron-rich minerals in the mantle stripped away oxygen atoms from the carbon dioxide, leaving carbon behind. Professor Frost created powerful presses to recreate these processes, and in doing so, managed to make diamonds in some surprising ways. So, where does the peanut butter come in? Like all foods and other living things, peanut butter contains carbon. Professor Frost experimented with various carbon sources, but after a request from a German TV station, he attempted to make diamonds from peanut butter, and it worked, mostly. Peanut butter isn't just made from carbon. It contains lots of different things, including hydrogen, which is bonded to the carbon atom. Hydrogen is very flammable and can be explosive when combined with the right amount of oxygen. When the hydrogen in the peanut butter was released, it effectively made a small explosion that destroyed the entire experiment, but only after they were able to form a diamond. So while it may be possible to make diamonds out of peanut butter, it's probably best reserved for our toast for the time being, rather than necklaces. While Professor Frost might not be retiring with a fortune from peanut butter diamonds, his experiments will help to unlock some secrets hidden deep inside the Earth, even if it does mean a few more explosions. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time for another topic explained. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay curious.